Hi guys, this is Jaime Santillan Jr. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Principle of Dog Training GR. Like and share guys. Karon guys, ako ipailan ninyo si Storm. Very aggressive nerves. Kay kabalo mo, import mo ni siya. Ako na siyang gitrain og obedience, behavior, distraction, og socialization. Labi na sa mga tao guys. Kay aggressive man gyud. Karon, ang akong i-train sa niya ang sniffing. Like bullets, C4, time cured, time fuse. Karon guys, what's up guys? Go walk, sit, good. One more, sit, good boy. Again, up, sit, good boy. Chickens, good. Other one, good. Again, good. Good. Sit up. Sit up. Good boy. Hurry up. Turn. Hurry up, please. Good. Sit. Good boy. Good boy, Storm. Remember, ha? Okay. Hurry up. In. Good. One more. In. Good boy. As it stay. Good boy, ha? As it drop. Good. Crawl. Crawl. Another crawl. Crawl. Good. Listen, I said stay. Good boy, ha? Relax. Remember, don't forget, I said stay. Behave. Listen. Good boy, ha? Okay, good boy. I said up. Good boy. Sit. Pero guys, ako ipakita ninyo guys kung unsa siya mo trabaho. Right. Sniffing. Okay. Search. Where's? Good boy. Again. Good boy, ha? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Start. On, hurry up. Search. Where's? Good boy. Search. Good boy. This is a bullets, guys. Remember. Good boy. Good boy, huh? Good job. Yeah. Hurry up. One more. Faster. Come on. Search. Where's? Yeah. Where's? Good boy. Good job. Another. Again. Hurry up. Search. Where's? Good boy. Good job. Okay. Another bullets, guys. Bullets sa shotgun. Okay. Good job. Good boy. Okay. Remember, huh? I said, come on. I said, this way. Pass. Okay. Faster. Good. Good boy, huh? Okay. Hurry up. Come on. Pass. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Hurry up. Good job. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Thank you guys. I hope na-enjoy mo sa akong video guys. Like and share guys. See you. Bye-bye.